Yeah. Hey, what were you telling Ava about the what flu?
What?
You were telling Lexi, I mean, about the what flu? You said you gotta be careful outside. There's the what kind of flu?
The swine flu.
What's that do?
If you catch it, this girl 16, she catched it, she's dead.
Get out of here. Do you catch it from a pig? Because that's what swine means, right?
Yeah, you catch it from a pig.
What do you do with the pig? You have to kiss it or you have to eat it? What do you do?
No, if you just go and, if you just catch it, if it goes on your body, you will catch it. That means, Lexi, can I try? No.
And that means what?
It means you will die.
From the swine flu?
Yep.
Oh my God. Lexi, did you know about this swine flu?
Lexi, can I just...
My camera's not on. It's broken. I was just trying to get it to charge up.
Let me try.
Lexi. Oh, you have to share, Lexi.
And she won't even let me try it.
I'm going to tell you that she did just get that a few seconds ago. So why don't you let her... It's supposed to be for the cat, though, Lex.
I'm trying to get it. What's that supposed to be for?
For the cat. For the cat? You play with the cat? Lexi, did you know about the swine flu?
Yes.
Who told you about the swine flu?
No, I know.
How'd you know?
Can I just try?
Lexi, Ava, how did you know about the swine flu? You're just smart like that?
Can I see the other pages?
The other ones? Alright. So, alright, 1 second. I'll let you see in a second. So, oh, you're trying to tickle me?
You just take the nail out?
No, you just take the thing off.
Like this?
Yeah. Very gently, you don't break it. I can't believe I haven't heard of this swine flu. So, no more swine flu, right?
Yes.
Ava, what do you call a lady who wears too much makeup?
I'm a hooker.
Right. What does Papa say about that? He says if they wear what, too much?
It's a hooker. You're gonna look like a hooker. I can